Okay, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another quick video. This video is more tailored to the exhaust. That's one of the first things I'm going to do on this bike. I've already bought the M4 slip-on moto style GP, so that's going on first. So I thought to do a quick like exhaust sound so you guys can hear the difference. So let's do that now. Okay. This is what it sounds like stock. Give it a couple revs. It's not bad, and I love the sound. Suzuki have a pretty distinct sound, like I love it. But you know, that's just one of the things that you do when you get a stock bike, especially if you're into like exhaust, is you swap them out. So I got the Moto GP. I'll put a link or a picture of it in this video so you guys can see. And I'll do an unboxing too, like as I'm installing it. But that's going to be the next video. So we're going to do an install for the exhaust pipe, Moto style, the M4 exhaust. I got it. They only come in one color, which is black. And I may put that on today or tomorrow, probably today if I get some time. And then we also, which will be the next video after that, is the fender eliminator. We're gonna get rid of that fender eliminator and put the Yoshi, and I'll do an install of that as well. So this was just a quick video. I'll also do a nice walk around for you guys of the 2019 GSXR 750. Sweet bike, I love it. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or whatever, you can put them down below. And until then, see you guys later. All right, peace.